Hello, this is Paul Photography with another episode of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today I plan a hopefully funny selfie shooting. Baking sheet, water. Hashtag no more words needed. Let's jump right into it. Yesterday you made some delicious pork for us, but today you're gonna be my tiny little egg. Just throw it on the table and fill it with water. For my lighting I have to choose my rectangular softbox and my strip light, because these are the only diffusers I have with a grid. We need directional light because we don't want the light to hit the water. I definitely suggest to shoot tethered, so you can give your position little corrections. Put on your hoodie and let's go! Paul, and this is your shot.